So focus me. Focus me. When you find the Hamza letter, when you find the Hamza letter above any other letter like Alif or Waw or Ya, when you find the Hamza letter above any other letter like Alif or Waw or Ya, focus me, please. Don't pronounce this letter and pronounce the Hamza. And pronounce the Hamza. So what is this? This A, and this also A, and this A. Okay? So this letter is like a chair for Hamza. This letter is like a chair for Hamza. Okay? So when you find the Hamza letter above any other letter like Alif or Waw or Ya, don't pronounce the letter and pronounce the Hamza. So this oo, oo. Okay? This. What is this?
That is.
This. A.
That is.
Yes, because this like a chair for Hamza. This like a chair for Hamza. Okay? Perfect. So this Kuri A. Kuri A. This like a chair for Hamza. Don't yeah. Kuri A. Kuri A. Okay? Kuri A. Perfect.